Yo, what's up everybody? It's time to show you how it looks like in Patong. Legendary Bangla Road in Patong in Phuket is already March 2023, so it's the current update and situation I'm gonna tell you. Feels like Patong Beach and the Bangla Road is back. I was here last time in October. It was busy, but now it's definitely busier than it was. So let's go. So the beach is on this side of the street, and then you have a basically cross the street, and this is the entrance to the Patong Beach Bangla Road with the dolphins like this one. Not sure why they are actually dolphins as the logo, but that's how does it look like. After 6 you cannot drive here by car or motorbike, so it's only walking street. And this is the best shawarma kebab I ever eat in Thailand so far. So maybe we could have it actually. And all the life is just over there. It's actually pretty cool street. And of course the first bar what you're gonna find here is cannabis bar, happy cannabis, and then pharmacy, and then cannabis again and another pharmacy. This is actually a little bit funny if I'm thinking about that, but that's how does it look like. And the bars coming here. The situation here is a little bit more similar to Khao San Road in Bangkok rather than some more extreme. So this is actually kids-friendly street. You can find the kids, you can find the people from all around the world, bars from all around the world, and in general family-friendly. Shops, some live music. There is McDonald's and the Irish pub and Aussie bar actually as well, and Kangaroo, the Moonshiner, so it will be American I think. The happy hours all the time, Irish pub also cool, yo what's up, people waving, everybody are happy in general. And that's the bars here. One of the most popular ones are actually on the middle of the street. As you can see, quite a lot of happy people. Try to sell you something, Kangaroo. Something is going in Kangaroo bar. So happy people inside. Not sure what. And then you have like this one. There are some girls there, X20. And then you have an Aussie bar as well, like this one. So Australians actually are also coming to Phuket. That's very interesting fact. And another bars. Actually, in every single bar there are some people trying to sell you. This guy is trying to sell you something. And also very interesting is the foreigners can walk in the restaurants here. That's unbelievable. And in Bali it's not possible. Well, in Phuket seems like it's totally no problem. So big difference. And this is how does it look like. Another bar or restaurant. Pretty cool with the music. And then you have a smaller bars. This is the Black Horse bar. Also some blokes enjoying their time. And in general, this is the crowd on the Bangla Road. Definitely busier when I was here last time. I would like to only mention as this is Wednesday, 8 o'clock. It's not even like 11 or 12, and it's not Saturday night. So imagine here you're coming here at 12 o'clock on Saturday night. It must be extremely busy. What is going on here? I wanna have a picture with these ladies. Not sure if they are ladies though, but probably not ladies though. But I will make a picture. I'm making only video, no picture, no problem. But picture 100 baht. Pink Paradise, some girls there and here and there. That's not so bad, but they are dressing appropriate, I would say. Not very extreme, like in the one street in in Bangkok, obviously. Beers for 75 baht. Some people here enjoying their time. And yeah, that's how it is, Bangla Road. It's getting pretty busy here. Some girls dancing in this bar, and there is the Key Plaza. All beers 75 bahts. So yeah, that's how does it look like. It's very loud, so I'm so sorry about my narratori today, commentatori voice. You have to understand. Tattoo shops, of course, must be, and some other bars. People happy, enjoying in general. Yeah, I just realized, it's pretty busy actually, that's without apps. This street is maybe like 600 meters strong, not so long, pretty wild. So, you know, that's how does it look like. Game space. The street seems like it's open up to 3 p.m. The live band here also feels pretty cool. It's actually very loud. It's like in Kaosan Road with the difference. No difference. It's just loud. Pretty cool band. New York music bar. If you like American music, pretty cool. Whoa. Thank you. Don't show me this stuff on the camera. You know what I mean? Nightclub, this is one of the oldest one, popular one. All over, like foreigners selling. This is very interesting here actually. This is the one, the Tiger. It's open, I think, later. I mean, it's open, but it's popular later. And also, we nearly missed Illusion. Illusion was, well, Sky Garden was in Bali, Illusion was here. It was top 50. So it's pretty cool. I don't know if it's still popular, but this was very high place, discotheque, obviously, long time ago. And then you have another bars, some girls sitting at the front. But the most attraction is this one, the Tiger Nightclub, actually. But most of people actually coming here for live music, I just realized. So it's also very interesting, and a lot of people making pictures, videos. And yeah, that's how it does look like. It's nearly the end of the street. Basically, we are making this video since the beginning till then. If you are walking very, very slowly and you want to just have a look what's going on, it's less than 10 minutes. So it's very small street actually. But as you can see, pretty a lot of attractions around. This is the Sugar, and there is some street performance. The guy is doing something, but we're just gonna, not sure what he's doing. The girls, small kids actually also here. Everybody are here. I mean, this is like a, you know, family-friendly place in general. It's not place only for adults, so it's totally different than like I said, some extreme streets in Bangkok. And then you have some nice chill bars here with some coconut trees. Bangkok is connected to the central mall actually, because the mall is just over the central mall where these girls are coming from. So it's very interesting. And on the other side, you can have even street food. So shooting range and the street food, more people coming, not only me making videos here though. So that's how, basically that's how does it look like. And, this is the end of the Bangla road, just simply like this one. And at the end you have some bars, barber shop, and the huge bright billboard making everything bright here. And another kebab, of course. And so many bars with the live bands, with the loud music actually. On the other side, where it's just normal street, regular street in Bangla. So yeah, pretty that's it actually. Another sports bar, one bar here, sports bar. There are also actually some girls dancing inside. I don't know if you can see, I will zoom it a little bit for you. Woo, that's actually pretty cool. Alright, that was cool. So the bars, 1, 2, 3, another one here with the live band. And this is the end of the Bangla road, or the beginning. And there are some other bars everywhere around. So this is like a heart of the night entertainment here in Phuket, basically. Just like an update video without editing, already over 8 minutes. And there is FBI Nightclub also open. It was closed when I was last time. That's the taxi drivers, and that's the pretty bar. And the Patong Beach, Thailand, Phuket, Thailand from the other side. Basically, that's how it does look like. We walk from our hotel, so we have to go the same direction. So we're gonna show you a little bit around. That's the bar. Looks like this one. Some people are enjoying the time. It's quite a lot of people. from all around the world, any ages, younger and older, with no difference. That's how does it look like. Very loud music though. When you leave the Bangla road, there is only one-way road straight with full of cars and motorbikes and traffic. Tuk-tuks are of course totally different than this ones in Bangkok. This is like a Phuket taxi. Phuket taxi tuk-tuks, they have they racing even. They have also the proper taxis, but this one is the most popular one. It's totally different. It's very busy, crowded, so many tattoo shops, so many places to buy something. This is very Asian stuff, tattoos and sports, but this is like, you know, you go to Bali, you go to Phuket, you go even to Vietnam or other countries, you're gonna find. Probably in Philippines is very similar in the popular hotspots. Also here like, you know, Souvenirs and the tour box where you can buy some tours if you wanna go to PP Islands or something. Everyone is here basically. The restaurants and stuff like this one. Now we are carving for pizza and we saw some nice pizza shops, so I will go with you, you will go with us actually. Till the moment where we're gonna find this, because I don't know where is it. And this restaurant, number 6, for some reason feels like it's small, overpacked, and people waiting in the queue. As you know me, I'm not the kind of person who's gonna wait in the queue for the food for no reason. I mean, probably it's lovely, just I'm not gonna wait, you know what I mean? And that's how does it look like. Also money changes here, I don't know what's the current level right now. Some smaller bars, juices. Juices are more expensive than in Bangkok for some reason, but this is island life, and yeah, that's basically how does it look like. It's getting already more quieter and more cozy if you're going more far from Bangla Road, basically. So if you wanna still in central location restaurant, but not so loud, you can find something like this one. It's called, I think, La Playa, very cozy, very romantic bar, just like, well, literally 300 meters from the Bangla Road, and the coffee club, and some hotels in the background. This is actually going into direction of Novotel Hotel in Phuket, in Patong. So if you are staying in Novotel, you should totally know the area. This is Pomegranate, my favorite one. By the way, tours, the same regular stuff nearly everywhere. And also the tuk-tuks here, the Phuket tuk-tuk, they're having a loud party music inside. So that's the sign, as Phuket is definitely party island, and seems like Illusion is also the biggest sponsor here because they're putting stickers on the tuk-tuk, stuff like this one. So, you know, party vibe. Also the ganja here, of course. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Oh, so cool. Shawarma, bazaar, of course, you can buy so many souvenirs. Shooting range and all of this stuff. So basically that's how it looks like. Also pharmacy, a lot of pharmacies here in Phuket for some reason. I just realized on every single corner though. This is the money changes, some girls changing money. This is the shooting range as well. Actually this one is cool, try one day. Gonna try? No, the airsoft. Can I try? Winny said no, she don't have a microphone though. But she said no. But I used to shooting like that in Poland. This is like an airsoft. You should know, guys, what is airsoft. It's not real, obviously, of course, but airsoft. It's like a sport. The bar, nice, cozy, quiet. There are so many tuk-tuks actually. Literally, guys, I'm gonna tell you, if you're gonna go after 7, 8, half of the cars here, they are the tuk-tuk. Similar like a taxi drivers in other places, in tropical islands. Something like that. Here, actually, this one is also nice. Hair club, something nice, like for the people honking everywhere. So many motorbikes. That was like a nice place. And massage shops. Also, plenty of massage shops here as well. And on the other side of the street, obviously, there are another restaurant and the souvenir shops. I'm just gonna show you one more last shot from the, you know, from the street. What's going on? Pretty busy. And yeah, that's how does it look like. And I think we found the place for the pizza. It's called La Vista Hotel Restaurant, but they have a pretty nice oven, wooden firewood oven, because there is the wood, there is the oven. So maybe I will have a pizza, as I didn't have a pizza for a very long time. Maybe pizza, Sire, yeah? What do you think? Pizza will do the job. 200, 300, 200, actually cheaper than Hua Hin. Okay, we do.
All right, that was Bangla Road, and in Patong, it's super vibrant, super loud, and busy, packed with people, packed with the entertainment and loud music. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow from Phuket.
And just in case if you're curious about my pizza, looks like this one, capricciosa with the nice looking ham, and it's pretty big actually for 350 baht. Winnie enjoying the music. Pizza time, looks decent. Alright, see you.